Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 11 system head unit for Subaru XV Forester 2017 to 2020 years. Okay, it comes with the special install part and harness. This special harness comes with head unit together, so plug and play. Okay, and these screws, install screw and install part left and right. Okay, you can check the UI interface is Belsee, and Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can adjust the SIM color with gray. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. And OS here, it's auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth, it's download the Play Store from download applications from Play Store. This is built in the Google Maps. And back to home. Okay, you also can change the home screen with default launcher. Okay, you also can change the display theme style with salmon. You can set it always or and check there are total 8 theme style. This 6. When you back to home, this theme style 6 and there theme style 5, 4, 3. You can use the launcher. When you back the home again, it will show the set it always. It will open the home launcher always. Okay. And this volume and this knob, this radio. Let me check the setting. Wi-Fi and built-in Wi-Fi. SIM card slot. It comes with SIM card slot. Support SIM card slot. Okay, this is our website belsee.com, blse.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay. Now back to home. And OS here. Let me check this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And let me check the settings. About device, you can check the Android version, Android 11 system, and DDR 8GB memory, 128GB. This factory screen. Password. And you can set this brake with 0 and save the head unit will be start. If not, you can't watch TV or video. This factory settings. You also can set the boot logo with Subaru. This and set it need to reboot the system. But device, let me check the Android volume. Okay, first let me introduce Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Okay, this is Bluetooth, and enable it, search the Bluetooth device. Your phone will get message, please click pair. It connects Bluetooth immediately. Okay, you can make phone call. You can check this work with the Bluetooth free phone call. You can also streaming music from your phone. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth phone call. And back to home. Music. You can play music by USB 1. This DSP amplifier. Okay. And video. It supports play 4K video. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website, belsee.com, blse.com to contact to us. Okay, thank you.